Hello everyone, my name is Jul Moa. Welcome back to my channel and I create a lot. I can do hair, makeup, accessory, clothes, everything you need to do to come up with beautiful pictures. First of all, thank you so much for being here again. Thank you so much for all of your likes, shares, subscribes, for all of your comments, and welcome to my new photography adventure. First of all, I get inspired by everything what's around me, especially the pop culture. I like singers, I like dancers, performers, I like Netflix, I like TV shows, movies, everything. So right now I'm really into Doja Cat and Lisa. I like these two women a lot and I want to create something to reflect this. For the clothes, I got this shirt with amazingly beautiful pattern, but I didn't like the fit and I just cut it and just make the form better, attach a lot of beads, and this is how I got my performer jacket.
And this is Jewel from the future. She realized that the video is very bad, so right now she's trying to retake all of the takes from the natural light, and in Berlin we don't have natural light. This is why this video is so confusing for everyone. So as I mentioned before, I already own the blouse, so I completely reconstructed it. I added a cutout from the bottom, I had the cutout from the sleeves. Then I used a lot of fleeceline, and I mean a lot. Fleeceline actually can hold more form and the fabric will be looking more expensive than it was originally. And then actually I saw everything together, then I added up the beads and I realized it's looking way too much glamorous and less badass than I wanted. So then I just add a lot of spikes, I glue them all to my beads, and then it ended up looking very cool and very beautiful and very unique. Even I didn't expect that.
For the accessories, I want to create bold and feminine look at the same time. So I created the lip cuff and the cute glasses. The problem is glasses are looking like this, so as you can see they didn't stand the test of the time. And also because accessories is kind of simple, I have this like fake acrylic nails to elevate the look.
This is another sad story about this shoot. Originally I was planning to use other accessories and I have a bright idea about face jewelry. I tried polymorphous, I tried clay, I tried a lot of different material and nothing ended up working. So actually the footage you're seeing now is the footage of me freaking out why is nothing working there, and in the end I just ran with completely different idea and it was also experimental, so I don't have any footage of this.
So my model name is Lena and she is familiar to you from my Bridgerton look, and because she have dreadlocks we created this like two sleek braids, and I have this gorgeous violet shadows on her eyes, glossy lips, and to finish the look actually I had this like beautiful nails to give us like nice touch.
If you're asking yourself why I'm talking so much about nails, because the nails was the only thing that actually worked very good, and as you can see at the beginning I almost forgot about them. So the makeup was kind of nice, but I had the huge problem with the lashes because we have very intensive lashes on this one. Then actually I need to reattach the lip cuff because it was way too small for my model, and as you can see I used a handy tools for this, but the result is cool.
So originally I want to use this like background with a lot of texture like pink or violet, and I didn't own anything like this. So I ended up having just simple white wall, two color lights, and I was thinking maybe later in the post-production I will add some texture.
So here you see how Lena is desperately trying to download her TikTok, and she has some troubles, like I have some troubles on the shoot. But actually the shooting one was a blast because the posing was amazing. Lena really liked the character and embraced it. We have so many different cool poses, we have so many different cool videos. Actually that part of the shoot was a blast.
So originally I want to add up the texture, and I did it, and it was so horrendously bizarre looking. So I ditched the whole idea and I just stick with what I'm normally doing. It's just basically color correction, retouching imperfections, and you're done.
So usually I start with the close-up portraits, and there I fix the background, the clothes fit, the makeup imperfections, sometimes the skin. But here everything was really good and I just need to fix the accessories, the colors, and then it was done.
So this is the end for my YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next one.
And this Jewel have no idea how bad this video will turn out.